Gifts came to introduce his new video. He goes by the name of Muggs out of MTL. What up?
We here, man. How y'all feeling today? Yeah, for sure.
No doubt, Muggs. So, this is the thing. He's here to introduce his own video, but I watched the video today, and it is proper.
Thank you very much.
As Jamaicans would say, it was proper. Proper. See it. So, I just want you to tell me how it came about, the concept of the video, how did it come about?
I mean, we came up with the record. The record is called Lonely Girl, you know what I'm saying? Produced by my boy Timo from Houston, Texas. And we met up with Brazzers, shout out to Brazzers.com, and they provided us with two beautiful adult entertainers, Lisa Ann and Phoenix Marie. You know what I'm saying? They came through, we did the video. Yeah, we did the video, and we wanted to do something totally out the box. So we came up with a magazine concept, and as you watch the video, you can see the swag switches up. Every page is a different ad. So we wanted to come with that, come with something brand new, some new flavors for 2011 for Canada.
All right, so you know what we're gonna do? We're not even gonna give away too much of the video, and to make sure you guys follow him on Twitter, check out the website, make sure you get yourself familiar with my man Muggs. I need you. This is what I want you to do.
What's up?
I want you to stand up and throw to your video. I want you to introduce it and let them know what's going on.
Before I introduce the video, make sure y'all follow me, twitter.com/justmuggs, youtube.com/justmuggs. And here we go. Here's my Rap City premiere, Lonely Girl, my first video of the year 2011, produced by Timo, shot by 16 Pads. PR Nation, we in the building. Yeah.
I got girlies all around me, talking all that bullshit. I just let it dance me. I ain't about that bullshit. Girlies all around me, talking all that bullshit.